Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to fix the problem of Airodump-ng about the Wi-Fi network not displaying. So in this video we have 4 steps we need to follow to fix this problem. But maybe sometime these steps, if you have a problem in if your Wi-Fi adapter not installed correctly, these steps they can't work with you. So because of that I write an article about this that you will find the link to this article in the first comment of this video. There you will find many problems that maybe you can find the same problem of these problems that I write about, and each one have a solution. So if this video or if these tips that will follow in this video are working with you, that's good. If not, so you need just go to the article and check the problem that you have and you will find the solution there. So let's get started to follow these 4 steps. So the first things we need to do is we need to identify our Wi-Fi interface. For this we need to type this command iwconfig and press enter. As you see, we have here our interface name is WLAN0. So the next step is we need to enable a monitor mode. For this we need to use this command. All these commands you will find them in the description of this video, so you need just make a copy and paste the command in your terminal one by one and press enter. Here he told me that the monitor mode already enabled, because for me I already enabled this. I already enabled the monitor method before, but for you, after you pass this command exactly, you will see the result here say that the monitor mode is successfully enabled. But just make sure to write here the interface name, the same one that you find when you are detected here when you pass the iwconfig, the same name that you will find, same name of your interface, the same one. You need to write the same one here, because maybe it will not they are not the same. Maybe for me I have WLAN0, you will have another name different than this one. So now we need to go to the step number 3. Is in this step we will stop conflicting process. For this we will use this command sudo airmon-ng check. Just make copy and paste here and press enter. And the last one, now we are ready to scan for Wi-Fi network. For this we will use this command. I will told you again, this interface is very important to use the same interface that you are detected in your terminal, because if you use different one, this will not work with you. So now after we press the enter, it should now see a list of available networks with all the information. Let's see. As you see, all things is working good. So here we can see all the information, and yeah, as I told you, the most important things here is to make sure that your Wi-Fi adapter is connected correctly. Sometimes you can find the Wi-Fi adapter is detected, but you will still have the same problem. Maybe the driver of your Wi-Fi adapter is not downloaded correctly. You need to remove the driver and you need to install it again. This maybe it will work with you correctly. So thank you so much for watching this video, and as I told you, will find the link of the article that I write about this in the first comment. So just you can go there, and maybe if you have a problem, you will find the same problem there, and at the same time you will find the solution for this problem. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.